Hey guys, so naano ko sa Pilates class for my Pilates session a little bit late.
Sige. Yes, you can stay there. And then balik ka, kita-kita sa video.
Na-feel.
Kita na doon. More kasi nababang siya. Yan. Same position right now. Same siya as push. Sige, try push. Sige, more pa. Sige pa, sige pa. Okay, stay there lang. Arms to the ceiling, keep it straighten. Feet down. Feet down. Baba ka ng feet. Okay. Sige, lower na, lower na.
Okay. No, so that's it guys. Manami ni Coach Blue. So friend, kamusta yung second session?
Perfect, kurog-kurog.
Nakita ka ganyan dito. Oh my God.
Oh my God! Kaya ba dito? Kaya!
Thank you. Bye. Happy Valentine's. Thank you so much for the session today.